Epic Games has one major problem that sometimes your game won't run even if it is downloaded. Epic Games ask you to download the game again. So one way is that you download the complete game, but instead use this simple way. Just follow the steps as it is and your game will run even without downloading it. Okay, so this is our Epic Game application and we wanted to play this GTA 5. So you can see Epic Game is asking for the installation. Although this game is already downloaded in our NAS drive or in your case maybe in your PC. So this is the folder GTA 5 where we have all our game files. So you can see the size. This is around 93 GB. So the first step is we will change the name of this folder. Let's change it to GTA 5 old. Now go back to your Epic application and just click on install button. So this is a normal process. Epic Games will ask you for the installation folder. So you just give the location of your installation folder where you wanted to install your game. So in my case, the location is this. Now it's up to you to tick or untick these two options. And after this, just click on install button. Now, once you click on install, first your game will download and then install. So you can see that download is being started. The game size is near about 92 GB and our download is just started. So now what we will do, we will wait for 1 GB to complete. That will be near about 1% or 2% of your total game size. Okay, so 1 GB is almost downloaded. And now the second step comes. We will pause this download. So this is the button. We will click it and it will pause the download. So you can see the download is paused now. And now we will go to our installation folder. So this is our old folder. And this is our new folder where download has just started. So GTA 5 old is the old folder and GTA 5 is the new folder. So now here is the third step. We are deleting the new folder where we have just started the download. Means we will delete this GTA 5 enhanced folder. That is new, right? And now we are left with this old folder. And now the fourth step is come. We will change the name of this old folder with the new folder. So now we have only one folder for GTA 5. And this folder has all the game files. So if you look inside this folder, you will see all the game files present here. Now the fifth step, we will go back to our Epic Games application and you will see that this download process is still in pause state. So what we will do that we will simply resume this download process. So click on this play button to resume the download. And now the magic happens. Look at this process. The whole download process is completed within a fraction of a second. And now Epic Games is verifying the files. And this is the next step after complete download. Now, in my case, it will take some time because the game files are present in a NAS drive, not in my PC. So if you have multiple PCs, you do not need to download the same game on the multiple machines. You just download it once on the NAS drive and then you can play that game in all the 3 PCs, even without downloading it. If you want to learn how I did this, then do let me know. I will make sure to make a video. So this process is almost completing now. It is 100% completed. And you can see that this game GTA 5 is installed now. And I didn't even download it fully. So let's close this. And now you can see the launch button for this game. So that's it. Make sure you follow the steps as it is. If you face any problem, do let me know. And make sure to like, subscribe.